iScan can analyze the occlusion state and display the results on a color map. Before using the occlusion analysis mode, to briefly check on the occlusion state, you can look at the scan data up and down, and the occlusion contact area can be checked. If the occlusal contact area is similar in location and shape to the contact area of physical occlusion, then the occlusion of scan data was successful, yet an accurate value is unknown. At this time, the occlusion is analyzed to find its value, and the function that allows it to be viewed on the color map is called occlusion analysis. Time to optimize and process is required to deliver accurate analysis of data. The occlusion state is displayed on the color map. The distance showed on each color can be checked from the bar on the left. Currently, the blue color is touching closer than the green one. Click on the Smith View style icon to open the occlusion on the upper and lower jaw. And you can check occlusal contact area on occlusal surface. You can switch the deviation style, select Show All, and Contact Area to view the non-contact areas between antagonists. When you move the mouse on the colored area of 3D model, system shows the value of the deviation.